Hi there, welcome to the fall semester. I'm really excited for all of us to get started and have a successful semester together. I wanted to tell you a little bit about this course before you get started so you'll know a little bit what you're getting into. I know sometimes whenever you see the title Microcounseling, you may assume we are specifically going to talk about how to be a counselor. However, this course is designed to focus more on personal, interpersonal, and personal communication skills, because that is the skill set that is imperative if you want to continue down the road of a counseling program. And for probably 25 to 30% of you who are taking the class to fulfill another obligation than the requirement of the degree in counseling, then you will likely need the communication skills for any other job that you have to aspire to in your future. And on a personal note, being able to communicate effectively will improve our relationships, all of our interactions with others, whether they're strangers in a convenience store or whether they live in our home. Communication is something I believe we often think that we are really good at, yet if we continue to find ourselves in situations where maybe someone's not understanding us, or we feel like someone's not listening to us, or if we feel like we're just not getting our point across, then perhaps we could change our communication skills. Not to say that our communication skills are bad, but perhaps that they could be more effective if we better understand two things. One is if we understand ourselves. Many times we don't really know who we are, and more importantly, we don't know why we are who we are or why we are the way we are. And if we can better understand that, we have gotten past 75% of the hurdle, probably, or any obstacle that could get in our way with effective communication. And then understanding that everyone has a history and that everyone comes from different places. And when you speak to somebody, in effect, they're not hearing what you say because they're interpreting it through their own experiences and meanings. So we may actually say something and someone hears it differently, and sometimes that will cause conflict in relationship with one another. But if we possibly just took a moment to understand that people hear from their own perspective rather than what we are exactly saying, then we can get the rest of the way, that other 25% of the way.